Hi, this is Matt on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to learn how to make steak with spicy stuffed potato and collard greens with vinaigrette sauce. Okay, so now that we have our rosemary and cilantro chopped up, and it's in its own space, and the onions chopped up, we're going to work on our pepper and our green onions. So let's start with the pepper. Just going to carve around the stalk here, like so. And you can just pull that out, very easy. And just cut it down like this. We want to get rid of the seeds inside. So we'll put that in our waste bowl here, because we're not going to be using that. We don't want the seeds. So make sure it's cleaned out really good. See, there's a little bit of seeds here. We're just gonna, and then we're just going to chop this up. Just little cubes, just dice it up. Like so. And we're going to add this also to our greens and to our steak. We're going to saute some of this up for the steak and some for the greens, actually. So let's just chop these up. Kind of just put them off to their own little space. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, that looks good. So move that over to their own little space. And now we're going to cut up our green onions. So we're not going to use the ends. We definitely don't want the ends. So we're going to take those and just put those in our waste plate. And we're just going to finally chop these using your finger as a guide. And once again, we're going to use this also in our greens and also our saute that we're going to make and we're going to throw on top of our steak. Okay, so I'm going to finish this up and then we'll worry about our garlic.